how to merge layers in Figma. To show you this, I can go with this rectangle tool. I'll just drag it out like this. Let's give it a nice color. Maybe something blue like this. And now I want to go ahead and copy this and paste it by pressing Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V on my keyboard. And now I can rotate it like this. And I want to make sure I have both selected. Here you can see them in the layers panel. You want to make sure that both of them are selected. And what we do now is you can either click on them, right click on them, or you can right click in the layers here. And you have to look for flatten. You can also press Ctrl+E on your keyboard. And once you do that, the two layers will be merged into one. So that's how you merge layers in Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.